Welcome. I don't know how to do it. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. No, my name is Monica. Monica. Yeah, Monica is the name. I am from Houston, Texas. I just did a makeup tutorial video for y'all. I hope y'all like it. Alright guys, so the camera died on me and I don't know if the video that I just made, I don't know if it's safe because my camera died. Anyways, my name is Monica and welcome to my channel. Thank you for looking at me the whole time. But I was in the middle of doing a makeup video and I had to go wet my sponge to make sure it was damp. And then I came back and it was just black, like the camera was black, and I'm just like, what happened? And it died. Sad story. But I'm back and I'm not leaving again because it's wet and I got all of my ingredients right here, all of my makeups. That don't make no sense, but that's okay. Bear with me because it's my first video. You know, do this all over. You know, this is the base. You know. Okay, I'm not answering you right now because I'm doing a video, so have some more respect. Make sure you get the forehead too, because you don't want to be two-tone. Y'all know I don't know how to do makeup, but you know, just you know. It's so peaceful and quiet right now. There ain't no kids here. It's just great. I mean, I ain't got no kids, but look at the nose. Yeah. Now I like to contour my face and contouring palette. You know, it's a little cheap, you know, it's a little $7 from CVS, you know. I'm gonna grab my this thing. Some people be naming their brushes, like they'll be like, this is the so-and-so. I mean, maybe whenever I buy like name brand stuff, brushes, makeup type stuff, then I'll be like, this is the, and I'll know more. But as of right now, this was probably from Sally's or something. I got like, I don't really spend too much makeup. I don't really spend too much money on makeup because I don't really wear it very often. So you just dab it in the palette, you know, you just, and then you blow. Yeah, and then you're gonna, I don't know how y'all do it, but this is how I do it because I know where my cheekbone line type thing is. Yeah. I think I do. This is where mine is. I don't even know if you're supposed to come down this far, but I do. And then you'll do it to the other side as well. Like, my forehead's already small, so it doesn't really need to be concealed or contoured, you know? So I don't know if I should do it. Should I do it? Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Let me do it. So you'll just go around your whole forehead pretty much. And come down here. You know, like so. I think you dab upward. You're not downward. Okay. Or both. I don't know. I get confused with them. Ta-da! So, that's that. I'm all dabbed up. And then just... Ooh, baby, this worked good. I'm gonna have to steal this. A little bit more on there. Oh, yes, boo. Oh, yes. You see the highlight? Look.
Yeah, I died. But anyways, this is the final look. This is the final look of my makeup video. And it's just really simple, you know, like, I don't look all like how everybody else looks when they do their makeup. Mine's is always just so simple. And yeah, that's it. That's the final look. Make sure you guys